What is the difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes?
Diabetes is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and it is important to understand the differences between the types to help manage the condition effectively. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease, which means that the body's immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the cells in the pancreas that produce insulin. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels in the body. Without insulin, the body cannot properly use glucose for energy, and this leads to high blood sugar levels. Type 1 diabetes is usually diagnosed in children and young adults, although it can occur at any age. Symptoms of type 1 diabetes include increased thirst and urination, weight loss, fatigue, and blurred vision. Treatment for type 1 diabetes involves insulin therapy either through injections or an insulin pump. People with type 1 diabetes also need to monitor their blood sugar levels regularly and make adjustments to their insulin dosage as needed. Type 2 diabetes is a condition where the body becomes resistant to the effects of insulin or doesn't produce enough insulin to regulate blood sugar levels properly. This type of diabetes is often associated with lifestyle factors such as poor diet and lack of exercise, and it is becoming increasingly common around the world. Symptoms of type 2 diabetes are similar to type 1 diabetes and can include increased thirst and urination, fatigue, and blurred vision. However, many people with type 2 diabetes may not experience any symptoms at all. Treatment for type 2 diabetes may involve lifestyle changes such as healthy eating and regular exercise, as well as medications such as metformin to help regulate blood sugar levels. In some cases, insulin therapy may also be needed. One important thing to note is that while type 1 diabetes cannot be prevented, there are steps you can take to reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. These include maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet, and staying physically active. Type 1 and type 2 diabetes are two different conditions with different causes and treatments. It's important to understand the differences between the two to effectively manage the condition and reduce the risk of complications. If you think you may have diabetes or are at risk, be sure to speak with your healthcare provider.